Okay, so I am fixing my cousin's uncle's N64 because it's not reading cartridges anymore. So I took this apart and given this a well-deserved clean. Look at that. Yeah, and this is not too bad. It's a bit of grime, but around there, but yeah, but there's a lot around here, and this is where it connects because the cartridge. So this is the cartridge port itself. And as you can see, it's got these pins. And then it's also attached to this metal shield piece that's all one thing. I tried taking this off, but you can't. And then it's got gap in the middle. I don't know if you can see it. These sort of gaps in the middle just in between. And this replacement right here, which you should stay well away from, is just this part, this whole piece. None of that stuff. It's just missing the whole thing, and then it's just one, and then it's got 50, and this has got 50 connectors. Meanwhile, an actual N64 plug is a 48, because the cartridge, as you can see, like on Mario 64, it's got that key. So do not buy these at all. I'll put a link in the description of one of them that you should not buy from. Stay away from these things. The other people might sell them, will be, I don't know, but stay well away. These things fit in here, but they're not the right thing. So I just say don't bother with these things. Just don't. It would be nice if someone just did this whole assembly, just like the 72 pin connector on the NES, but at the moment, no one's doing one for N64s. So clean these out, do the card trick. I'm gonna try that with this EB World card. I'm gonna try that with an old shirt with some isopropyl alcohol and get in there and see if I can clean them. So yeah, so just don't buy this. Just don't. It's a waste. Thankfully this was like 13 to 14 bucks. But yeah, don't. I thought this was, yeah. Sort of bought it on a whim, and yeah, nah. It's yeah. So yeah, just, and also this one has a key, so it shows you where it's supposed to go. Well, this one doesn't. So don't buy them. Try and clean these. Hopefully you can bring your N64 back to life, which you should, because it is a good system for a handful of good games that are on it. So this helped, like, comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.